Welcome to Cooking with Didem. Today I will show you a cocktail recipe. We will make a Valentine's Day cocktail for our loved ones. Let's start. So for this recipe I have some berries, lemon. I will use both the zest and also the juice. I have a tonic and gin and a glass and some ice. I am adding some lemon zest. Now and then we add the gin. And the final touch, cheers. Now I'm tasting. I can taste so much raspberry, it's perfect. I highly recommend you to try it. And cheers, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.